I don't know, stop. There's some escovitch fish, there's some fried saltfish, some fried chicken, some margaritas and all these things. And some chocolate.
Yeah.
Alright, so we are up on a little traveling and we say alright, we see a little food truck. I say alright, we'll go check out the food truck and see what I want because we try a couple of food places already. Wings and things, JR's chicken and all of those places. So we're on Gloucester Avenue, Jamaican Boulevard. And we said that stop here. So we say alright, we'll go check out the stop and see all the food I go on. So it's World Bites. So we'll tell you all the food I go on after we sample it. Now we'll check out the menu and see what's going on. As I can see, place busy. Summer is out in full effect, right? So we'll check out the Friday menu, fried chicken. And the price them not bad. Jerk chicken, wrap fish, taco, chicken Alfredo, fries and them something there. So, chef, where you say we can look forward to some good food?
Yeah man, classic food man, quality.
Quality. Alright, so this is located on Jamaican Boulevard, just before you get to Sandals Inn. Alright, so we'll go order. And then you don't know we sample the food and tell you know go on. So
check us out on Instagram.
Check you out on Instagram?
Yeah man, TikTok and the whole social media.
Who if you look for on Instagram and TikTok? World Bites.
Yeah man, just follow the truck man, you can't miss it.
Alright, so as them say follow the truck, you can't miss it. World Bites. So tonight, Friday night, Gloucester Avenue. So do some.
What do you guys like?
I am going to order in a minute. Let me tell you what I want. You order it, man? No? Alright. Alright, so we are going to have the fried chicken with sweet potato fries. And we're going to have the quesadilla. Yeah. Chicken and cheese. Sounds delicious. So as we say, it's a Friday night on the strip. Cars lining every side, place busy. Yeah man, it's summertime. If you're in your house, like you need to get out the house. What you do in your house? Right now, I'm sorry I never bring something for go get a swim in the night. Yeah, cause you know we stay now. So I'm telling you, I don't know who are vex or whatever, but maybe over Kingston anytime. Cause right now I feel like I take a swim, I can't do that. Can't do that at all. You know what I mean? But trust me, summertime, nice. Outside, full effect. Alright, so in terms of looks, get a little cup with some salsa or a pico de gallo. Not look bad. Fried chicken not look bad. Some sweet potato fries and things. Tell you how it tastes. Alright, so far, the potato wedges. Good. Pico de gallo, excellent. And this is jerk chicken quesadilla. Good. Yeah. The potato fries could be a little bit warmer, but yeah, it's good. Right next to the ocean. A DJ Khaled that said, it's beautiful. Life is great. Alright, so this is the before and after zine. So as I can see, chicken get shelled. Quesadilla mash up. Now him do a pico de gallo, which is a kind of salsa with different vegetables cut up with vinegar and stuff. Really good. Yeah, so I can check them out. You know what I mean? Just tell them say you were told to visit this place or it was recommended by Dante in a real life. I'm going to give you a shot at the ocean star. Yeah. Jaja. Life is beautiful.